Tired of pasting channel names that nobody can click? Learn to create clickable mentions for any text or voice channel in under 2 minutes. First, we'll walk through text channel mentions using hashtag. Then, we'll cover voice channels with hashtag exclamation point. Finally, see how clicking these mentions works. Go to Discord. For text channel mention, type the hashtag in any chat box. Start typing the name of the text channel you want to tag. Click on the correct channel name from the autocomplete menu that appears. Press Enter to send your message with the clickable channel link. Again, hashtag symbol followed by the channel name. Select it from the pop-up list and press Enter to send. For voice channel mention, type hashtag followed by an exclamation point in the chat box. Choose your voice channel from the filtered list. Again, type hashtag followed by an exclamation point in the chat box. Choose your voice channel from the filtered list. Clicking the mentioned text channel will let users transfer to that channel. Clicking the mentioned voice channel will let users join the voice channel directly. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.